Hello, Joanne, and welcome back again to another episode of Modern Minds.
Yes, and I am Yasmin. We're going to try to deal with propositions in this episode. But before we do, guys, are you all familiar with the term? Ate John, familiar ka ba sa term na proposition?
Indeed, partner, the listeners appear to be well familiar with partner Yasmin. To make the meaning of the proposition clear, let me explain. The proposition is a declarative sentence that can either be true or untrue. It cannot be both, partner.
Hala, feeling ko wala akong masyadong background or knowledge about sa proposition. But may dalawa tayong guess eh. Dalawa silang maganda, dalawa silang very cute, very sweet, and mamaya-maya makikilala natin sila, partner. Actually, ang pangalan nila Jamin and Nicole. They created two instances of statements that may or may not to be true.
Oh, it's good to hear that, partner, in order to help our audience better understand our topic. Nicole and Jamin, show up!
So, let me welcome our first guest, Ate Jamin.
Hello guys, I am Jamin, and now I will be giving statements that shows a proposition. We all know that proposition is a declarative sentence that can either be true or untrue. It cannot be both, as Ms. Juan said earlier. Examples of propositions are chocolates cake are loaded with colors. Math is fun. Yasmin, Juan, and Jamin are Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Stats. Manila is the capital of the Philippines. Take note that all propositions are sentences, but all sentences need not be propositions.
Oh, meron din akong alam eh. Ang alam ko, logic is a science that deal with statements or inferences that show correct reasoning, or it is a study of the principles of reasoning. Oh, wait lang. Ate Joanne, for sure naman bilang tao, nakapag-reason out ka na. Pwedeng yung reason out mo for your benefit, pwedeng true siya or untrue. Depende kung paano mo siya i-reason dahil para sa sarili mo, para mapagtanggol mo yung sarili mo. Di ba nagre-reason out naman tayo para mapanindigan natin yung stand natin, right, Ate Joanne?
Yes, partner, kasi di ba nga sabi nila sa UTS natin na subject, sabi nila, yung reason daw is the most powerful.
Yan. So, that's fantastic information, Ate Jamin. But before we proceed, here's a fun fact about propositional logic. Did you know that Chrysippus discovered propositional logic? Yes, he is. Although propositional logic, also called propositional calculus, had been hinted by earlier philosophers, it was developed into a formal logic or Stoic logic by Chrysippus in the 3rd before Christ and expanded by his successor Stoics.
Wow, partner! Now naman ay meron din naman tayong isang guest na same lang din ni Ate Jamin na cute.
Hala?
Cute size ba? Or cute na maganda?
Hey, sino ka dyan?
Let's hear another information by Ate Nicole.
Hi, I'm Ate Nicole from BSED major in TLE. It's a pleasure to be invited by this kind of program, and I am very excited to share my thought, opinion, and information to all of you guys.
And with that, excited tuloy ako na madagdagan yung knowledge ko about sa logic. Kasi 'di ba, sabi ni Ate Joanne kanina, ano sabi mo kanina, logic or reasoning is
Most powerful, partner.
so napaka-exciting talaga ng topic natin ngayon. So, let's G and hear from our very cute, very sweet Ate Nicole.
I want to share the basic facts of propositional logic, but before we start, do you have any ideas, guys, about fact of propositional logic?
Oh no, partner Yasmin.
Hala, next question please.
Do you have any idea ba?
Hala, feeling ko wala.
Kasi ako din. Hala, same ba tayong ano?
Hala. Hindi. Kidding aside, I'm sorry, wala akong masyadong idea, Ate Nicole. So, Ate Nicole, please help us enlighten. Please give any information or facts about propositional logic.
Okay, so propositional logic involves studying logical connectives such as the words and or, and the rules determining the truth values of the propositions they are used to join, as well as what these rules mean for the validity of arguments, and such logical relationships between these statements as being consistent or inconsistent with one another, as well as logical properties or propositions such as being tautologically true, being contingent, and being self-contradictory.
Hala! Nadagdagan talaga yung aking knowledge and background about propositional logic. So, thank you, Ate Nicole. Partner John, may nabanggit na consistent or inconsistent to. Alin ka ba sa dalawa, ate ko?
Hala, partner, feeling ko nasa consistent ako.
Wala, paano mo nasabing consistent ka?
Hala, nakamute ako, partner, di kita marinig.
Wala ako ba yung nakamute or ikaw?
Partner, wala akong marinig.
Okay, so bago tayo mag-end sa session natin ngayon, bago tayo mag-end sa episode nito ngayon, mag-thank you ulit tayo sa ating dalawang very cute at very sweet na guest, Ate Jamin Gallardo and Ate Nicole Lachor. Thank you po!
Hoping that you guys learn a lot from us. Actually, partner, ang dami kong natutunan ngayon.
Hala, talaga. So, ang exciting pala talaga kapag may guest ka, no? Lalo, bonus na lang sa kanila yung pagiging maganda nila. Kasi, aside sa pagiging maganda nila, talagang sobrang may bibigay silang information na makakatulong para sa atin ng mga student. Again, before we end this session, this is Modern Minds and I am Ate Yasmin.
And I am Ate Joanne. Goodbye, guys. We
Love you all. Thank you for listening to our
partner, hindi tayo nagsabay dun, partner, ah. Partner, scripted na to, partner.
Dapat perfect. Okay? Goodbye.
Guys, we all love you all. Thank you for listening of our podcast trip.
Yay! Bye-bye!
Bye, guys.